at it. It's white.
Wow, it does look like snow actually. Kind of does when you think about it.
Well, we might have a bit of snow next week.
Oh my gosh. Hey, if it snows on the beach, that would be photo worthy.
Has it ever snowed in Pennsylvania?
It has, but I believe it's like a once in a blue moon thing.
We've got the dunes here as well, sand dunes.
Exactly.
So pretty.
It's all fine and natural seashore. Beautiful.
Okaloosa area. So this must be the area Okaloosa. Maybe there's some sort of tribal name or some shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Amazing.
This lady, she said, oh my gosh, $150. Okay, can we jump on a 30-minute Zoom call to discuss ideas? No.
30 minutes?
No, if you want to jump on a 30-minute Zoom call, that's another $150. Like,
Yeah.
I'm just going to ignore her. Sometimes it's just not even worth it. Like, people are just going to be, people are just going to be a pain in the ass. It's not like I'm desperate for the money.
You don't need it now.
I just don't need it. I don't need to sit on a 30-minute Zoom call and discuss ideas, which, by the way, you might just take and get someone else to create. No, I'm good.
Yeah, yeah.
So I just don't even bother responding.
I like the way you think.
If I was desperate for $150, I'd do it, but
Yeah.
Definitely a businesswoman.
got that from my dad.
Really? I don't know.
Isn't it pretty? Look at it. I see how it's blue and then it drops off to like a deep blue.
It is really
But this,
yeah.
so this is Fort Walton Beach here. This is where that shark came and ripped through multiple people in the same week.
Did they?
They got it in the end. So
Recently?
about within the last 12 months, yeah, last spring break I think. So probably earlier like middle of last year, a shark came through and they were saying to people like, do not get in the water, and people got back in obviously, and they were stood on the sandbar just a little bit out, and the shark came up to the sandbar, and it was like a bull shark I think. It took off a 15-year-old girl's leg, and it attacked 7 people in the 1 week. None of them died, thank goodness, but one lost a leg, one lost an arm. It was crazy. They ended up killing it eventually, but this
And you
shit.
say some of them weren't even in the water.
No, they were. So you swim out and there's like a sandbar